Let's make some bubble wands that we can create real bubbles with. All you need are pipe cleaners and scissors. Here's the strategy I used to make this heart. First, I made a circle and twisted the ends around each other to keep the circle closed. That's the great thing about pipe cleaners is they are a fuzzy wire that you can bend. Speaking of bending, I bent down the top and the bottom to create that heart shape. Then I cut a smaller piece to keep the center folded and twisted that around to keep that heart shape. To make the handle, I twisted 2 different pipe cleaners together. I liked the contrast of colors, and this helped make a sturdy handle for this bubble wand. I folded it in half, added a few more twists, and I didn't twist the last few pieces so I could attach it to the bottom of my heart. Next is this figure 8 bubble wand. To do this, I cut 2 smaller pieces of pipe cleaner and twisted those around to create circles. You could make this with larger pipe cleaners, up to you. Then to connect the 2 circles, I took another smaller piece and wrapped them around each other. This was a great strategy because, again, the circles were really sturdy and those pieces held it in place. To make the handle, I folded a pipe cleaner in half and then I twisted it around a lot like I did for the handle for the heart wand. Then I realized it wasn't strong enough, so I folded this in half again one more time, twisted and made a loop, and then I attached this to the bottom of the bubble wand. This was a small and sturdy design. Next is this star-shaped bubble wand. For this design, I made a circle and twisted the ends together just like I did for the heart bubble wand. Then I pinched and folded different areas of the circle and smushed them together to get those nice creases and create a star shape. You could add more points to your star than I did, and then I created the handle. I folded a pipe cleaner in half, twisted it, and then I kept this one long this time and just attached it to the bottom of this star. Lots of different ways that you can create bubble wands, but let's test them to see how they work. Add the bubble soap to a bowl like this or a large plate and test your design. Make sure to make changes when things don't work and see all the different size bubbles you can make.